are the concepts we had covered in our yesterday's session. So listen, right. From yesterday onwards, we started discussing about MVC architecture. We know what is model, view, controller. We already know that. So basically, yesterday we discussed about one more new concept known as bean class. Bean class. So totally, a bean class should be having four properties. First one, make all your fields as private and provide access to those fields by using getters and public methods, getters and setters. And please make sure that your class should be implementing serializable marker interface. And obviously there should be one, which constructor? Public default constructor. Public default constructor. So basically what is a bean class? Bean class is a reusable component. Bean class is a reusable component. Okay. And after that, we, of course, we know MVC architecture. And then we started creating a small MVC project. Like, for example, just a second, we started with this one. Let me, but just a second. Okay. So we started with this particular project. So two layouts are there for this project. The first layout. We already created index.html and these two are anchor tags. These two are anchor tags. And we first dealt with only the first one, add employee details. Whenever we give a click on add employee details, it should be redirected to emp.html. Of course, we already know that. We already wrote that HTML. And if you give a click on submit, that form action should be redirected to employee servlet. But we first did not created this servlet. We created bean class. Okay, we already know that. After that, we created DAO layer, speak. We created DAO layer and then we had used servlet, employee servlet. In this add EMP servlet, we created an object for employee bean and we set the values. And those values, we acquired those values from the HTML by using which method? Request dot get parameter method. And then we try to store those values into the database. Yesterday, we successfully did that. And if everything is done properly, yesterday, record insertion failed. So yesterday we got record inserted. Up to here, is it completed, guys, for everyone? Is it done? Okay. Now, please listen to me. Let me just try to remove this. Don't code anything. Please listen. Trust me. Listen, don't code anything. Okay. Feel free to close your laptops as a matter of fact. Just listen. Okay. Right now, yesterday I tried to display a message in the console. Let us try to display that message in the web page. In the web page. Okay. I'm going to use a method, guys. REQ dot set attribute. I'm using a message set attribute and I'm just trying to write a message and that message is employee record inserted successfully. Just like that. Okay. SUC. Got it? Speak. Okay, done. All right. Now I'll just do one thing. Let me just try to use BR and BR also. Otherwise, just let me make this as a message. I'll use it later. Okay. Now, please consider this as a key, this as a value, key value. Now, what is the use of this set attribute method? Set attribute method is used to pass the data from servlet to servlet, servlet to JSP, JSP to JSP, like that. Right now, my intention is I want to pass this data from servlet to JSP, Okay. So here, okay. So if everything is working properly, we will be going with the wait. REQ. I want to use request dispatcher. REQ dot get request dispatcher, and here I'll go with the add employee, add employee dot JSP, add employee dot JSP equal to RD belongs to request dispatcher. Okay, after that RD dot forward request response. Actually, this is absolutely valid. I can write like this also. I request you to please concentrate. Trust me. Okay. I can write like this also. Otherwise, simply copy dot forward request response. This is also valid. This is also absolutely valid. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now you tell me, okay, we already covered add employee servlet. Now, according to this project, according to this program, according to this code, you tell me next which page we need to create. Please respond. Add employee dot JSP. Where we need to create our JSP? Web app na? Okay, let me get back here. App 7, SRC main web app. Right click on web app, go to new, select JSP file. Okay. Now here I'm going to give, please make sure to give exactly the same name. What is that? Add EMPLOYE employee. Case sensitive, you already know that. Okay. Add employee.jsp, give a click on next and finish. Okay, okay, okay. We have our JSP page. Now just let me try to write CNTS center tag. Okay, don't close it. I just want to go with just a minute. Center tag H1. Okay. Now after that, let me just try to use scriptlet tag. You know what is the use of scriptlet tag? Inside the scriptlet tag, we can write any Java code. And how many implicit objects are available in our JSP, guys? 9 implicit objects are available. Right now, what is my requirement? I want to, here I set the attribute, na? Set the attribute. And I already said, consider this as a key, this as a value. Now I want to get this value. Okay, sure. Come on, tell me. Request dot get attribute. Now it's a parameterized method, by the way. Parameterized method. How many parameters? One. Type is string. Okay, what is the parameter I need to go? I'm sorry. I'm actually impressed. Same. Just let me try to write like this message. And obviously, its return type is also string only. String, and I'm just going to write data. Now tell me, okay, just let me try to typecast it into string. Now tell me what is the value present inside this data. Okay, just let me try to open this. Okay. Now tell me what is the value present inside the data. Employee record inserted successfully. For example, ah, for example, if you observe here, here also I'm using the key as message. Here also I'm using the key as message. Here the value is different. Here the value is different. And you know that if block executed, Literally, there is no chance for executing else block. If else block executed, yeah, there is no chance for executing if block. So there is, when you're speaking about message here, when you're speaking about this message, are you understanding me? There is option only for two values. Either it will be employee record inserted successfully, or it will be, I hope you understand the point here, right? Why? Because in if block and else block also, I'm actually trying to forward to the same JSP. All right. Coming to here. Okay, I'll be having some data. I just want to display the data in the browser. Tell me. Out dot print PRA print ln. After that, come on, data just like this. And you know what? I just want to use break statement br and br, just a break statement. And after that, uh, okay, so it will be message, it will be displayed something like either employee record inserted successfully, employee data not inserted. So I'll do one thing. Below that, again, I want to show this option. Are you understanding me? So I'll do one thing, just let me try to copy it. And how about if I write like this? Again, the same anchor tags will be displayed now. Speak. Let's try to find out, okay? Right click, run on server. Oh, save everything, cancel. Right click, run on server. Oh, server is, please check here. I'm having 20% only. Server is not yet started. Means it's already started somewhere else. Let me try to stop my server. C drive, program files. Ah, Tomcat 9.0, Ben 9W. Yes, stop. Okay, done. Close. Let's execute. Right click, run on server. Add employee data. I just want to add, yesterday I went with 201, right? So I'm going with 202. First name, let me just try to go like R-A-V-I Ravi. Last name something like D. Salary some 35,000 HYD. Insert. Employee record inserted successfully. Now, just I'll do one thing. Let me try to close it here so that this also will be data will be expanded. For example, add employee details. Again, I'm going to add 202. Just let me try to go with some HYD. Insert employee data not inserted. I hope you understand the concept here, guys. As simple as this. Now, your turn. Hang on just a second. Before coding this, I have a small question for you. Am I going a little bit fastly? Please respond. Again, absolutely okay. If anyone is thinking that I'm going a little bit fastly, please do let me know. I'll answer. Please. How many of you are thinking? Go ahead. I know. Hey, Nana, remember one thing, Ra. You are paying for this. Okay? You are paying for this course. It's not a free course. So feel free to tell me. No problem. Anyone is having any trouble with my training? Go ahead. No one? Seriously? Am I going fastly? Yes, raise. Please raise. Go ahead. Girls, am I going fastly? No, I mean it. I seriously mean it. Anyone? Anyone? Boys? Yes? Little bit fast? Just little bit? You? Little bit? Okay. And anyone else? Go ahead, please tell me. No one? Okay. If anyone is having any trouble, like if you are thinking that I'm going a little bit fastly, feel free to come and speak with me. No problem. Who is Saurav? Saurav or so? Who is that person? Anyone present here? No one? Okay, I'll tell tomorrow. No problem. I got a small thing from our management saying that, sir, I think student is having a little bit trouble with your training. Sir is going a little bit fastly. So please try to slow down. So I just want to know, is everyone is having the same problem? Are speak ra. Are you comfortable with me? See, if one student is having a problem, two students are having a problem, fine. I'll directly speak with them and whatever the concepts which they are having a trouble, I'll try to let you know. If most of the people are having a problem, I need to change. So that is the reason I'm asking you. That is the reason. So is it okay? Are you able to cop up? Are you able to understand? Am I fast? Are you okay with this? Then fine. And people who is having a trouble, please come to me, speak with me. Don't think like, sir, can I come and, speak? No problem. You are paying for this. I am accountable for your advanced Java amount. Advanced Java amount, right? I'm completely accountable for you. So, any doubts, if you are facing any trouble, come to me, speak with me. Absolutely okay. No problem. Is that okay? Right. So if you think at any particular point of time, I'm fast, which concept you think I'm a little bit fast? Any type? If you think, just try any concept, no concepts, everything is fine. I'm gonna give you a minute time, Ra. Think about it. Feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss. Ashish, sir, no issues with that, but going a bit fastly, sir. Okay. And trying to explain. Ashish, okay. Dia, little bit okay. Fine, 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 fine. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. It's not about the concepts, are bit fast on the practical. Practical means I'm not giving you much time to code. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Then fine. It's okay. No problem. Anything else? Feel free. Feel free. Anything else? Okay. Now, coming to this, guys, listen, listen, listen. Coming to this, when I ask you to code, generally up to now, I remembered almost every time I'll ask how many of you guys completed. If you raise your hands, most of the people raise, then only I'll be going with the next concept. I don't know whether you're observing it or not, right? That is point number one. Point number two, I don't want you to waste the time. I want you to be, little bit competitive in coding. So that is the reason I'll ask you to write the code, write the code, write the code. So please observe it once. Obviously, whenever I gave you a task, without your knowledge, you want to complete fast before your neighbor. Just think about it, right? But anyways, no problem. From today onwards, I'll be trying to give you not more time, little bit more time. Is that okay? Yes? Okay. See, guys, my intention, advanced Java, completely hands-on. It must be hands-on. If I'm going to give you more time for coding, you know it, I know it, how much time it's going to take. So no, that's not going to work, right? So that is the reason. First, I don't know whether you remember or not. JDBC. Did you remember JDBC? Starting, I took lot of time for you. Guys, first listen, don't code, listen, I said. Once you understand the concept, I never asked you to, listen, you already started writing the code also. As a matter of fact, I did not ask you to, enter the URL things also. You just go on with your own logic. Yes or no, tell me. That is what I need. Starting, if you're good in the starting concepts, remaining concepts you can do by your own. And as this is our MVC project right now, this is the first MVC project, I'm asking you to wait. First, listen. First, listen. And after that, write the code I'm saying you. But yeah, anyways, I'll definitely take the feedback from your end. No worries. So, one thing I just want to get it done. Concepts wise, okay. Explanation wise, okay. Whenever you are coding, you need more time to code. Yes, sir. That's it now? Fine, done. Anything else? Yeah, go ahead, Tali. Give us more assignments and tasks. No, that is just wait for 2 to 3 days. Just wait for 2 to 3 days, then you'll be able to get that idea. Okay, Tali? No problem. So, is that clear? Come on. Anything else? Go ahead, feel free. Anything else? Online students, I want you to please respond. So, only 2 to 3 people are saying that code, I'm not going to give, okay, little bit more time for coding. Absolutely accepted. Maybe I'll type the code little bit fastly because of, experience. It's okay. No problem. You'll be able to get that. No problem. I'll definitely take your feedback. No worries. So yeah, your turn. Go ahead. So this is our employee servlet. This is add employee. Go ahead. Take your own time. No problem. After a few days, you will say, sir, just please go a little bit fast. Come on. Code, start. This is the reason. Come on. Everyone completed up to here na yesterday? Yes. Carry on. No worries. How many of you are still coding? Raise your hands. Please raise, please raise. Still coding. Carry on, carry on. Code. Girls, is it complete for everyone? Everyone. Amma, you, middle person. Done? Complete. Then we'll start. Boys, is it complete for everyone? No. Code, code. I'll wait. Online students, I want you to please make sure to message me if it is completed. Otherwise, I can't start the concept. Only 3 to 4 people message me like it's done. There are nearly 60 people. If you message, then only I'll start. Please make sure to message me if it is done. Is it done? Done? Okay. Anyone is coding? Raise your hands. Please raise, please raise. Okay, everyone completed. All right. Now, eyes on the board, please. This is our second layout. Please have this in your notes. Have this, please have this in your notes. Close your laptops. Go ahead, please have this. Done. Don't close your notes. After writing, just wait. All right. I hope it's completed. Now, we already covered first one, add employee data. We already done with that. Right now, we are dealing with view EMP data, view employee data or view employee details. If you observe in our first starting here, ah, index.html, where is this? Index.html. This is okay. Anchor tag directly we are going there. Now, what is this URL? Just like URL. In form action, we will be giving form action, double quotes, URL will be giving na? Same, this is like that. Exactly the same. Whenever we are using anchor tags to go to a servlet, in that particular case, in the servlet, we need to use do get method. Do get. Just now here, yesterday, we used which method? Why we have used do post? Why? Because in our HTML, form action, what is the form action we are given? If we are giving post, we need to use do post. If we are giving get, we need to use do get. And if you are not providing anything, then also we need to use get. If you are not going with any method, then also we need to use get. Whenever you are dealing with anchor tags, then also we need to deal with get. Means which method we need to override? Do get method. Am I clear with this? Now coming to this layout. Okay. So if I give a click on this view employee data, it will be request will be redirecting to view employee servlet. From view employee servlet, we will be going to view EMP DAO. Okay. It will be connecting to the database. The data will be retrieved. The retrieved data will be getting to view employee servlet, and I need to display to view employee dot JSP. Okay. In this entire layout, which page we need to create first? I'm sorry. View EMP DAO. Absolutely correct. 100%. We'll do one thing. For example, coming here, let me try to create a package. I mean, the DO package. Directly, I'm trying to take a class. And that class name is view EMP DAO. Okay. View EMP DAO. Fine, fine, fine. Finish. Okay. Let us just try to write a method. Public void retrive. Retrieve. Retrieve EMP data. Just like this. Retrieve EMP data. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. Just EMP data. Retrieve EMP data. Okay. Basically what I want to do, I want to view the data. From which data? I mean, from which table I need to view? Employee table. So obviously, what is a query? Select star from, okay, select star from employee. Now here, please guys, this is important. Please concentrate correctly. Okay, SOSTM system manager set line size 200 DSC EMP employee. What? Oh, sorry. SELECT select star from employee. Please concentrate correctly, okay? Basically, this is the data which is present in my database. I mean, employee table. Now, my intention is I want to show all this data in my JSP. Employee ID, employee name, employee first name, last name, salary address. Like that, I want to show the entire data in my JSP. Okay. Obviously, we need to use a query that is select star from employee. Okay. We'll be using the query. And obviously, we need to use a method. Na? Which method? Execute? And in JDBC, execute query. What is its return type? Result set. Okay. I'll do one thing. For example, just let me try to use try catch catch exception exception e. Okay, e dot print stack trace method. Now here I need to get my connection right. Please speak. Okay, so db connect dot get con. All right. Equal to. Please help me the code. Con belongs to connection. After that, con dot prepare statement. SELECT select star from employee. Okay. Equal to prepared statement. I'm just going to write like this. Okay, done. Now please tell me after that pstmt dot execute absolutely equal to rs belongs to result set. Okay. After that, if or while okay, while rs dot next. Hmm. Listen to me very clearly. Rs dot next. Okay. Whenever we are using rs dot next for the first time, you know that our cursor will be pointed towards the first row. Yes or no? Rs dot get string one. What is my output? You need responder 101. Rs dot get string 2. Rs dot get string 3. Basina. Rs dot get int 4 50,000. Rs dot get string 5 HYD. How many objects I am getting? Speak. I am getting 5 objects. What I want to do, I want to store all these 5 objects into employee bean. I want to set the data. Set the data. Okay. You want to set the data. New employee bean. Okay. Equal to bean belongs to. Please tell me. After that, come on, guys. Go. You just please try to tell me the code. After that, bean dot set ID. Continue. Continue. Rs dot get string. Did you understand this line of code? Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Set ID, set first name, set last name, set, I'm sorry, salary, set address. Okay, 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 okay. Tell me. 2, 3, I'm sorry, 4. Did you understand this? Speak. Now this is one object. Yes or no? Only one object. Means the first row will be stored into that bean object. Like that, how many times the same code will be getting executed? How many rows are there? I believe you understand the point here. Same time, I mean, same code will be getting executed 9 times. How many objects will be getting created? Now my intention is 9 employee bean objects are there. I want to store all those 9 employee bean objects. I want to store 9 objects. Okay. Basically, you want to store multiple objects into an object. Yep. Collection class. Let's take collection class, shall we? Okay. Coming here. New array list, L-I-S-T, array list equal to AL belongs to array list. Okay. And I'm going to use the generic as employee bean. Okay. This is interesting. Sorry. Okay. Just employee bean. Now, take a minute time. Did you understand? What is the return type for this method? Which is accepting? And then return. Take a minute time. Any doubts? Ask me. When I'm explaining, I want you to please listen. Don't code. You know that I'll be giving you the time. Trust me. Whenever you're coding, try to write the code by your own. Don't look at that. I mean, don't copy paste. So that's the reason. Understand. Is that okay? Any doubts? Online students, is it okay for you? Online students, please respond. Come on, come on, come on. Please respond. Please respond. Okay, I hope it's right. Now, coming back to the layout, tell me, view EMPDAO done. After that, view employee servlet. Okay, let us just try to open our servlet package. Inside that servlet package, go to new, select class, VIEW, view employee servlet. Okay. View employee servlet. Done. Now, obviously, first, please make sure to write our servlet annotation. What is that? Slash VIEW view. After that, tell me the code. EXTNDS extends, third time, extends HTTP servlet. Okay. After that, go ahead. Protected. Tell me. protected void do post post. Why? We did not use any method as post na. We are dealing with anchor tag. Okay. Just for our confirmation, let us go with our annotation override. You know the reason why we are getting an error. Why we are getting an error? Parameterize method. How many parameters? Type. Don't say servlet request. Say clearly. HTTP servlet request and the HTTP servlet response res after that throws servlet exception comma IO exception. Okay. Now what we need to do? Basically, we need to call the method. We need to call this method now. What is the method name? Retrieve emp data. Okay. Coming to here, new view empdao dot retrieve emp data. What is its return type? A ARRAYLIST array list which is accepting employee bean. Okay. Now after that, let us just try to forward this. Okay. REQ dot get request dispatcher. Now I need to forward this to view employee dot JSP. So view EMPLOY employee dot JSP. Okay, but what you want to forward? Yeah, hang on. Dot forward request response. Okay. What you are trying to forward? Sir, I'm directly forwarding the flow. Yeah. But here, whenever we are calling this method is returning an array list, na? And that array list is having the entire data. Na? So obviously you need to pass this object also into that JSP. Okay. So, request dot set. That is correct. Attribute. Let me go with like list. I'm going with list list and I'm passing my array list. In my JSP, I'll try to get my array list and I'll check the length. If the length is 0, I mean, length means size. Are you understanding me? If the size is 0, data is not there. If the size is not, I mean, not 0, greater than 0, then obviously I'll try to retrieve the data. Got it? Up to your first try. Go ahead. If possible, try to write the code by your own. Just try, check. I strongly advise first check and then try to write the code by your own. Online students, if completed, please message me in the chat. How many are writing? Raise hands. Writing, right? Please raise. Remaining everyone else completed. Okay. 2 minutes, guys. People who are writing, 2 minutes. Please. Okay, is it done? Anyone is writing? Raise your hands. Please raise. Anyone is writing? Okay, everyone completed. All right. Let me deal with the next page. That is, what is the next page? View employee.jsp. Okay. Let me just try to give a capital V here. JSP page. I need to create JSP page inside web app. JSP file, view employee.jsp. Give a click on next and finish. Okay. JSP got created. Okay. Now eyes on the board. Okay. Now, first things first, center tag. Don't close it. If you close it, you will be getting that weird yellow color lines. Leave it open, no problem. After that, H1. Okay. Now, scriptlet tag. We need to use our scriptlet tag. Okay. What we need to do? Get the attribute. Okay. Request dot get attribute. What is the name I have given? List. Okay. Equal to AL belongs to array list. I use a generic also na employee bean. Let me just try to typecast it into array list. Okay, okay, okay. Done. Now, normal simple Java code. If AL dot size is equal to 0, size is equal to 0. Okay. Come on, that is correct. Out dot println and employee records not found. Okay, not found. Just like this. Employee records not found. Okay. Else. Okay. Let us try to retrieve the data. How to retrieve the data from our array list? Shall we use iterator? Iterator. Let's go. AL dot iterator. Okay, okay. AL dot iterator equal to I belongs to iterator. Okay. And what is the generic we are using? Employee bean. Okay, okay. After that, while while I dot has next, I dot next. What this next method is going to return? Object. Which object? One object. I mean, how many objects? One object. Which object? Which object? Employee bean object. It is going to try. According to my table, how many objects are there? So right now we are dealing with the first one. First object. Okay. Out dot println eb dot get id plus eb dot get first name, eb dot get last name, eb dot get salary, eb dot get address. Just I'm going to use two break statements. That's it. Done. We'll do one thing. Let me just try to save it. And I'm going to run it one more time. Right click, run as, run on server. Restart the server. View employee data. The data is displayed. As simple as this. Done. Actually, you know what? I'll do one thing. What if, what if, uh, just a second. We guys already wrote our tags, na? How about if I'm going to write this, I'll make this as 3. Okay. Now here, just what is that? Index index dot html. Again, going back. Are you understanding me? Let's check this. I hope you understand the point here. So again, if I want to add, I can add, or else again, if I want to view, I can view. Done. As simple as this. Come on, go ahead. And make sure, you need to import. If you are not importing, files will not be getting executed. You need to import. Okay. import. How you need to import? Whenever we are using this, for example, cut, okay. Generally, how we will write the code? Request dot get attribute, and what is the attribute we have given? List, just like this. Okay, equal to AL belongs to array list. Whenever I'm using this, automatically it will be getting imported. And obviously, I'm using one more. What is that? Employee bean. That is the power of shortcuts. Anyone completed? That is good. If you are getting null, or else if you are not getting the values correctly, please check your DAO class. In DAO class, you need to give the column names numbers correctly. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the data. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. I am done for today. Feel free to continue with this. And once it's completed, you can leave. You want to take, anyone wants to take a screenshots? Not required now? Okay. So I'll just keep it like this. Take your own time. No one is going to disturb you. Feel free to complete and then you can leave. All right. So we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's sessions. Please respond to the chat for me, guys. If possible, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat for me. That is good. That is good. That is good. Okay. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.